Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer side mirror. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You'll need a plastic trim tool, a pocket screwdriver, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extensions. A magnet is also very helpful to catch any small fasteners, preventing them from falling into hard-to-reach areas. Working in a well-lit space will make each step much clearer and easier to accomplish. Next, we need to access the mirror's mounting points. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim panel located behind the door handle. Then, use your trim tool to lift the window switch bank, disconnecting its 3 electrical connectors by squeezing their tabs. Look for and remove any 7mm and 5.5mm bolts securing the door panel. Finally, lift the door panel straight up to release its clips, then disconnect the main electrical harness for the mirror. With the door panel set aside, you'll now see the 3 10mm nuts or bolts that secure the side mirror assembly. Carefully loosen these fasteners. For the lower bolts, a magnet can be invaluable to prevent them from dropping inside the door. As you remove the final fastener, be sure to support the mirror with one hand to keep it from falling. Then, gently pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door, carefully guiding any attached wiring through the opening. To reinstall, first position your new mirror assembly, carefully aligning its mounting studs with the holes in the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 10mm nuts or bolts, then use your ratchet to snug them down securely. Reconnect the main electrical harness to the mirror, along with all other electrical connectors for the door panel. Before fully reattaching the door panel, it's a good idea to test the mirror's power functions to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.